Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to remove Google Authenticator from Binance account. So let's jump to the process. First, open your Binance application on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now here, tap on the small Binance icon present at the top left corner. Now tap on your user ID present at the top. Then here you can see security option, tap on security. Now here you can see authenticator app, tap on it. Here you'll be able to find a small bean icon at right side. Tap on the bean icon. Now here tap on the two box to verify that you want to remove your authenticator app. Now know that removing Google Authenticator from Binance account may make your account vulnerable to outside threats. After you tap on the two box, tap on continue. With this, now your Google Authenticator will be removed from the Binance account. And this is how we can remove Google Authenticator from Binance account. Thank you for watching everyone. If you like this video, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.